Sattva. I have been a sweet tooth person since childhood. Used to love eating sweets and desserts anytime, any day. And once we were casually talking during our lunch hours, and our today's guest mentioned about eating one gulab jamun after 6 months and being satisfied. Can you believe that? Well, initially, even I did. For him, fitness is a way of living with healthy mind and body. He says it's contributed a lot towards his success, be it at work or all around. Today, I'm super excited to have him on my show as he's one of my sources of inspiration for discipline and self-control. Welcome, Ajit.
Thank you so much, Satvika. It is very nice to be here. And that was an amazing welcome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So how does it feel to be on the show right now?
No, it feels amazing. I mean, I need to congratulate you for starting something like this. And I feel so happy that I've been an inspiration. And I'm a guest here today. So very excited and looking forward to our discussion.
Amazing. So Ajit, we've heard that your dad was a professional jockey and you have great interest towards horse riding. So sports and fitness is in your blood, right? So was it a cakewalk or some extra effort put to inculcate this way of living?
Horse riding, first of all, is not easy. Many people think it is very easy. My dad did that for 30 years. So I've lived a lot of my life in the saddle room with horses. So you asked me, was it a cakewalk? Nothing is a cakewalk. Right? Even if it is in your blood, you need to get used to it. And I'll give you the example. During the lockdown, I couldn't work out for 10 days. And I lost a lot of strength just in 10 days. And this is the strength that I built over 2 to 3 years. Right? So it is never a cakewalk. It is a lot of discipline, and then it becomes a habit.
Right. That's amazing, Ajit. Thank you so much. So when we were trying to schedule our interview yesterday, you mentioned about your workout timings. So how many times do you work out per week, and do you have any routine? Can you please share about that?
Sure. So timing, I tried to stay consistent. When we were all going to work, it used to be in the noon, right, somewhere around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, because the gyms are not crowded during that time. So that was a consistent time. But my workout routine these days is 7 to 8, and it is every day. It is every day. So 6 days is strength and conditioning, and 1 day is yoga, which is what I also use like a rest day.
Right. So now that you mentioned about the rest days, right? Have you ever come across these days where you're like, "Arey yaar, I'm not interested today. I'm just not feeling like working out." So do you have any such days apart from doing yoga, where you've kept that for your rest days?
No matter how much discipline you have, it happens to me every day. It happened this morning. So today it was not at 7. Today my session was at 8 to 9. And I woke up at 7:30. And 7:50, it's just your brain, right? There's a devil inside your brain. It just kept telling me, Ajit, let's skip it today. And what I do is, it is always about the first step. I just wear my socks. And then as soon as I wear my socks, then the shoes goes in next. And then I'm in a mood. Then I'm not going to skip it. So it is all about that first step.
True. I totally agree with that point. So Ajit, you spoke about your training models, right? Do you have any favorite training model and any 2 exercises that you religiously do? It's like, you're happy about doing
on in the fitness journey, it was all about biceps.
Sure.
Yeah, at least there are a couple. It is like that, right? Even when you go to the gym, let's just work on biceps today, because that is what stands out. But then I learned more and more, and I started looking at a lot of science behind fitness, because there is a lot of science behind fitness.
True.
Then I got to know more about just concentrating on one muscle day in, day out. It's of no use other than just bulging it up. Two favorite routines. I work out on my core every day, and that's a myth. That's a myth that people have, that you shouldn't work out the same muscle every day. Core, you can work out every day. And that is just 10 minutes. 10 minutes of core exercise, I do it every day.
Amazing.
And the other thing that I love is cardio. Mostly it is jumping tees or
Okay.
burpees.
Wow.
Uh,
Yes, true that.
Getting into a routine now because that helps build your stamina. Initially, I started with just 3, and that's an advice, right? If initially it might be just 1 and you'll feel tired, it becomes
Correct.
3 and it becomes 5, and today it's close to 20 in 30
Right.
seconds.
Right.
That's the stamina I'm trying to build.
Amazing. That's actually very helpful. That's the main reason behind doing cardio, right? Building your stamina. Yeah. So Ajit, we know that you have little princess at home. I must say she's very adorable. And with this lockdown and COVID in place, we are restricted to our places. So does she ever pop up during your workouts and try to follow you?
She does.
Wow.
She did it today as well. And
Oh my God.
today we were in the cult. It's a video session these days.
Yes.
And cult centers are not open.
Right.
She did pop up and she even said hi to the trainer, and the trainer was also happy.
That's really cute.
She tries to copy, not the exact form, but she does.
Okay.
And then she goes
That's
breathless and then runs in.
Okay, that's interesting. Nice. It's good that she's inculcating it from now itself. That's nice.
Yeah. I mean that is good, and that is something we need to emphasize to our children now, especially this generation.
Yes.
Start talking about healthy life, healthy mind at dinner tables.
Correct.
When you're having a casual conversation, it is not all about technology. These things are still important, and it is better they focus on it during their days, like early days.
Right. That's amazing.
For watching, everyone. Please make sure you eat well, sleep well, and drink lots of water. Like, subscribe, and share.